What's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 back again on this Facebook Live and stuff like that. About to sing happy birthday. If they cut the music off, though, excuse my language, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Now, I hope they cut that damn music off. I hope I don't get no... If everybody sing happy birthday, I sure want to be part of it, though. All right. And these damn mosquitoes. Hey, you on the show? Man, these bugs is bothering me, y'all. Damn. These damn bugs is bothering me, man. I wish I had that off spray, man. All right. Damn. Thank God we're about to focus camera. Thank you. Shake it for y'all. Work it for y'all. Damn. Excuse the language. Damn, I hate them bugs. All right. Huh? Oh, what'd you say? Oh, a mustache? Oh, this? On my camera? Oh, don't worry about it, though. All right, damn. I hope they cut this music off so we can sing happy birthday, you know? What's taking so long? Hello. Huh? Oh no. You can look in front of the camera. All right. Okay. Everybody. Yep. Well, I don't know it's taking so long to do so, you know. But I don't know what was taking so long to do so. But we should sing it in a few minutes, you know. So here they come. I guess we get ready to sing right now. About to sing happy birthday right now, y'all. So make sure y'all tune in. Oh, she gonna watch this about 10 years from now. You know, she gonna watch this show 10 years from now. You hear me? She gonna watch it 10 years from now, and she gonna know what. All right, Naomi, if you're watching this 10 years from now, you crying. All right, I'll be gone in a minute though. So we're gonna do the final thought at the house, okay? All right. All right. We just finished saying happy birthday. My mask is with me. So anyway, Jewel, can you want an interview? Jewel, you want an interview? Oh, you don't want no interview? I just want to ask you how you enjoy the birthday. Your grandchild's birthday. All right. Well, she don't want to be interviewed though. I tried though, you know. So, all right then. So, I'm gonna go straight. Is that a Jesse? Well, I'm gonna talk to y'all later when I get to the house. All right, bye.